hiccups. You get the hiccups? You get the hiccups? Oh, Myles has the hiccups. Myles has the hiccups. What? Who's got the hiccups? Oh, the big hiccups. You got hiccups? Oh, poor baby. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Oh, I know it sucks, eh? It sucks, eh? You want to sleep. You want to sleep, but you got the hiccups. I know you want to sleep. Oh, it's no fun, is it? It's no fun, is it? It's no fun. You just want to sleep and you got the hiccups. You just want to sleep and you got the hiccups. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that on the camera? Who's that? Oh, yeah, that's no fun. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Did I feed you too fast? Did I feed you too fast? Did I feed you too fast? Oh, Grandma's gonna think that this is funny. Grandma's gonna think that you're so funny. That you're so cute. What? Oh, you funny guy. This is not fun, is it? This is not fun, is it? That's enough. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's enough of Myles' hiccups.